Hello, I am Tori the Dragon. Welcome to Cosplay Cafe. Today we are going to be making some chocolate pudding bears. So for this, all you need is a box of chocolate pudding, some milk, whatever kind you would prefer. You can use almond milk, some Nillas, some little M&Ms, and some chocolate flavored melting wafers. So we're going to start by mixing up our pudding. Alright, and we need 3 cups. And you want to stir this until you get all the lumps out, and you're going to see it combine. Alright, that looks pretty good. So for the base, I'm actually going to use some pre-made little pie crusts. And just fill it up. And then these will be going into the fridge for about 5 minutes until they start to harden up. Not harden up, but... Alright, so our pudding has been in the fridge for about 10 minutes, so it's pretty set. So all we gotta do is put the face on our little bears. So you'll be taking these Nilla cookies as like the little snout part. And then you can use the melting wafers as ears. And then you can take some M&Ms and just place them on top as his little nose. And then we will use some candy eyes for his eyes. Alright, and then our pudding bears are done. Itadakimasu.
Pro. Thank you. Bear? What is it? Nice and crunchy. By Odin's beard, this is delicious.